Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to test any sensor in Galaxy A05 device. So for this, all you guys have to do, just go to members option, and guys here, just click on support. So as you see on the very top, we have option of phone diagnostic. Just click here and then you see we have option of sensor here. Just click to sensor to test. As you see, the sensor is normal. Now go to touch screen. We can check touch screen from here. Draw the lines on the square to see the touch screens. And on the other end, we can also check mic's face recognition from here. Okay guys, we have a code also to check the or test the sensor. The code is star hash 88 hash star. So in this we have all the sensors like touch panel, and if you're talking about headset, so we can also check the sensors from here too. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.